I kind of laugh because everybody's talking about this virtual draft and how high tech it is. If you could see my living room right now, it's the ultimate in low tech. I've got 5 huge whiteboards, and I probably have 1,000 magnets with names on them all over the place. So I kind of feel like I'm sitting in the middle of a 1976 draft room, and it's kind of back to the future. But you're 100% right. As far as the process is concerned in the draft, our coaches have done an unbelievable job of preparing information to challenge the college player. It's been pretty cool spending up to an hour with each of these individual kids and getting to know them that way. So from a draft process, we're all doing it the same way. You know, nobody's got an advantage, and the Raiders are 100% prepared and ready to go, and we're excited about this draft. So I don't think it necessarily hurts anybody. We're all playing by the same rules. I think the harder thing with this draft is the medical side of it. You know, just trying to verify, especially the guys that had surgery after the new year, what kind of rehab they're having. Are they going to be in time for training camp? And then we get into the whole process of, will there be a training camp? Is there any part of the off-season program that won't be virtual? And that's where I'm really happy with Coach Gruden and the coaching staff. And, you know, we're going to start on April 27th so that our rookies can be involved and our draft picks can be involved. We're going to emphasize the installation, the mental side of it. This is where having the right guys in the locker rooms mean a lot. You know, who's working out on their own, who's doing what's necessary to stay in shape to the extent that they can. I feel very comfortable sitting at my dining room, crunching tape, calling college coaches, and looking to get any advantage and any information I can on every guy we're interested in. And to be honest with you, we're just, as a group, we're embracing it. I think it's been a great process.